up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today me and TJ went to the store and we found Oreos. Now I can't lie, this one just got the best of me because it was gluten-free, so I'm like, let's test it and see how it is. But this one right here, Churros, limited edition. So I'm curious about this one. From what I get to understand, there's only a limited number in the batch, so I don't know how long these are going to be out there, but I'm going to test them out. Let y'all know how we like them. Okay? Let's do this one first, though. This gluten-free thing. I don't know, this one piqued my interest, because I'm like, gluten-free. Okay.
I'm not tasting the top.
I would assume it doesn't taste too much different from the regular one, but let's see. Same.
There's holes.
Nothing different.
They're milk.
Okay, first of all, that's cream. Let's see.
Milk is good. Cream. Cream is good.
I don't know what I was expecting, but it tastes exactly the same.
The cream tastes very good.
Yeah. Yeah. I really don't see a difference, but then again, I never really paid attention to all the other stuff on the old one. Oh, it's made with white rice flour. Okay, and whole oat flour. Huh, okay. Either way, tastes just the same.
Yeah,
So,
because I was looking for new ones.
If you want gluten-free Oreo cookies, tastes just the same with me. I can't taste the difference, so y'all go ahead. But this one right here is the one. Let's see.
It smells like real bacon.
It smells not bacon. It smells
Good.
a little cinnamony. Whatever it is, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells very
It
good.
kind of smells caramel-esque.
Yeah, kind of.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can see in the crackers, it looks like it has little bits and pieces of churros in it. Yeah. And even the cream looks like it has some churros in it as well. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, look at TJ's face. Okay, let's see. I mean, yeah, I do get that churro taste from the cream. I don't know. I feel like I expected it to be a little bit more churro, I guess.
Well,
I expected to taste it a little bit more. I don't feel like I tasted enough.
yeah, but by the way, I think you might not like this.
I'm just trying the cream by itself. Yeah, there's definitely bits and pieces of churro in the cream, but I don't know. I expected it to taste a little more like it, but
Oh, I made a heart.
it's not very strong at all.
I just made a dark heart.
Nice. Yeah. It's not very strong at all. Either way, it's pretty good though. If you see it in the stores, I'd definitely try it. If you're a churro person, I'm sure you'd like this one. I'll give this one 9 out of 10. Just because I expected the flavor to be a little bit stronger.
Yeah, and I'm gonna
Maybe I'm expecting too much. I don't
I'm
know.
gonna give the cream 11 out of 10.
What?
11 out of 10.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay, well, TJ said 11 out of 10. I'm telling y'all, my score, 9 out of 10. But hopefully y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.
Peace out. Nah.